Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make some kind of Chinese style shrimp or prawns, whatever you call them today. Really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 2 cups of a peeled raw shrimp or prawns. I've got a 1/4 cup of the following: white onion, green onion, sweet chili sauce, a couple of star anise, and then I've got a tablespoon of ginger and garlic chopped. Very, very simple this. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil. Above medium heat, fairly high. We're going to start off by dropping in that little bit of star anise, just kind of gives it a beautiful flavor in there, infuses that oil. Let's get the garlic and the ginger in now and let it go just for 30, 40 seconds or something like that. Super fabulous. You don't want to burn that, you just want to kind of just let it do its thing there. Like that white onion, I prefer white onion in here, but use a different onion if you want, and I've sliced my one, as you can see. So stay on that kind of vibrant heat, get it going. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper, we're going to add some salt. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Right, in go the shrimp or the prawns. I mean, these are kind of not massive. They're not tiny, but they're not massive. I mean, you can change the size of them if you want. Very simply, I mean, prawns and shrimps cook very, very quickly. So again, on this vibrant heat, this kind of lively heat, we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Fantastic stuff. A little bit of water. Now you could use, something else if you want, like some stock or something. But I'm just going with a little bit of water. In goes that sweet chili sauce. I think that's fabulous in there. Green onions, still on the high heat. Chuck that around in the pan just for like 2 minutes. You've done it. Absolutely beautiful, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make some fish today. Really simple method, is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need a pan of some sort. You can see the one I've got, and I've just laid slices of lemon on the bottom. We're going to take our fish. I'm using this dory fish today. You could use a different fish if you want. This is nice and light, this fish. Cooks very easily. In that goes. Next up, I'm going to put in some fresh ginger. You can cut it how you want. Fairly sort of large pieces I've put. Cut it smaller if you want. Small amount of garlic. That's just like a teaspoon or so there. Some salt. Some black pepper. And then I have 2 tablespoons of a light soy sauce. And then just some water. About 4 tablespoons. Very simply, we're going to put a lid on that, get it on the cooker. So medium heat, not too high. Lid on, and because this fish is quite a delicate fish, it will cook really quickly. It's just going to be about 6 to 7 minutes. Very, very simple. Okay, so the lid's off, and that is beautifully cooked. Off goes the heat. That was just like 6 minutes, job done. Okay, there you go. So just serve that with a little bit of green onion on the top. It really is very, very simple to make and delicious. 1 chili, just going to slit that open and put that in there. And then some whole cloves of garlic, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got some nice thick slices of fresh ginger, roughly about the same. You can adjust that if you want. And then some star anise, whole star anise, just popping them in there. Really, really simple. This is going to be a nice bed for our fish. A little bit of salt. And then time for the fish. I've got a lovely fillet of salmon here, skin on. Just, no bones, they de-picked it out for me. Skin side down, I'm going to lay that on top of the aromatics. Some water, just some cold water, pour that over, just enough to cover it. Lid on, get that cooking. It's going to take about 7 or 8 minutes for this size. Right, out it comes on a plate, beautifully poached. Little bit of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy. You could use a different, darker, syrupy soy if you want. I like the light one. Decorate that with a nice red chili as a signature. Little bit of star anise. Some green onions. In this wok here, I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, getting that nice and hot. To that, I'm going to add some star anise whole, about 3 or 4. Then we're going to go for some nice sliced, thick sliced actually, ginger, some garlic, and about half a cup of onion. What we're going to do is throw them around in this hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to be adding some salt and pepper. You can use black pepper like I am, or white pepper. That's entirely up to you. Fresh red chilies I'm using here. The amount you use is entirely up to you. I've kept the seeds in my one. I've just slit them down the middle. But yeah, nice to give it a nice kick. I'm now going to add 1 cup of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, going to get them in the mix. They're going to kind of act as a little bit of a sauce for this. And then the clams. Now the clams that you use, there are many, of course, different types of clams, but the clams I'm using here are quite large, white ones. They're going to go in, we're going to spin them around again in the hot pan for 4 to 5 minutes until they open out nicely, and they're going to be done really beautifully. So off goes the heat. I'm just going to finish this off with some green onions in the mix. Excuse all the steam, the camera's right above this wok here. But that's it, job done. Super, super easy and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're making these crabs. These are a soft shell crab. We're making them in a sweet tomato spicy sauce. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the first thing we better look at are the crabs, aren't we? I've got 1 kg here of crabs. That's 2.2 pounds. So these are a local crab to me. They're a soft shell type of crab, and they're very easy to clean, these ones, because all you do is you take this piece here and you break that off. You've now cleaned it, so once that's off, that's good. Now, I've given them a little wash. What we're going to do is we're going to cut them in half. So before I show you the other ingredients in front of you now, let me just show you the crab. So, cut in half like so. So they're ready to go. Let's take a look at this lot, shall we? So what I've got here, let me just grab a pointer. I've got 1 can of tomatoes, a regular size can, a 400 ml can. That was a whole plum tomato. I've just squeezed that with my hand. We've got 2 cups here of onion, red onion sliced. Half a cup, it's actually 135 grams of tomato paste, one of those kind of small little Tetra packs. About a tablespoon of sliced fresh ginger. Fresh chili, the amount's up to you. You can see what I've got there, about a tablespoon. Here I've got some parsley or cilantro, optional. I've got a tablespoon of light soy sauce, garlic, I'm going for a tablespoon there, some star anise, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces maybe, a tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper. There's a couple of other things that are going to go into this, but that's the base of it. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a kind of large saucepan or a kind of woky thing like this. Obviously we've got the volume of the crabs to go in there. Oil, I've got 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. The heat has just been put on. Let's start by dropping in the star anise and the ginger along with the garlic. About 90 seconds stirring this around. Then we can start to add some more ingredients. Perfect. Let's get our onion in and our fresh chili. I'm using red chili there. Slit them down the middle and also kept all of the seeds in. Salt and pepper to taste. Fairly lively heat, as you can hear and see. We're going to go for 3 minutes. This is a very, very simple but full of flavour, this sauce. So we're going to drop in that tomato paste. To that we're going to add the sugar, brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, but I think brown's good. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Let's get that little bit of soy in there, soy sauce. We're now going to drop in that 1 can of tomatoes. Like I say, that was a whole plum tomato, just crushed it up with my hand. And then we're going to add some water. It's about 100 ml of water there. So we're going to turn the heat down, because it's been on a fairly high heat, kind of vibrant heat. We're going to turn this down to medium. We're going to let it go for 6 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Very simply, we're now going to add the crab in and give it a little mix. Then we're going to pop a lid on it, and for this size we're going to let it go for another 6 to 8 minutes. On a medium heat. Okay, then off goes the heat. It's like sort of 7 or 8 minutes. These cook quite quickly because they're quite small. Let me just get this lid out of the way. And that's it, job done. You've just cooked yourself some crabs. Now, soft shell crabs like these, you can clean them really easily. Other crabs, slightly more difficult and involved. Let's get them on a plate, delicious. Okay, there you go. So I didn't forget that coriander or parsley. I'm actually using coriander just to put on at the end. Simple, delicious, little bit of sweetness in there, spicy crabs. Get in there, enjoy. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.